Managing payment methods. MaxxTraxx comes installed with 27 different payment methods for closing out repair orders. Some of those payment methods are not applicable in many locations. This video will show you how to hide the payments you do not use and edit the ones you do use. The first step is to click on the Setups menu icon in the upper right corner of MaxxTraxx. Once the Setups window opens, look in the Accounting section for line D, Payment Methods. Click on that line. This will open the Payment Methods window. Notice the default payment method is cash. If you want to change that, highlight the payment method you want to default to, then right-click that line and click on Set as Default. You can eliminate the default method completely by clicking on the box at the top of the window that says Do not use a default payment method. To hide payments you are not going to use, find the method and double-click on it. You can also highlight the payment method and right-click the line or click the Edit Pay Method box. Once the payment method window opens, uncheck the Make Active box. Click Save when you're done. To add a new payment method not listed in MaxxTraxx, scroll down to the bottom of the payment method list. There are several blank payment methods that can be edited and used as needed. Select one of those methods, double-click on it, or click the Edit Pay Method box. Type in a description of the payment method, whether it is a check or credit card type payment, and check the Make Active box. Click Save when you are done. The payment method will now appear on the Cash Drawer drop-down. If you remove all the payment methods that you do not use, the overall look of the payment methods drop-down in Cash Drawer will be much cleaner. This could prevent mistakes from being made from using the wrong payment method. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.